Hi again, this is me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 3 of this, making this pattern. So if you haven't watched parts 1 and 2, you need to back up and watch them, because I've skipped forward. By using the control button, I did get a perfect square. It's 3.81. I'm going to take, this is going to be a lot easier to draw these lines. We're going to draw that 0.3 by 3.81. And I'm going to smart fill it and take away the outline. Now we have 3.81. Our item is 1/4 of an inch thick. So we're going to take 1/2 of an inch off 3.81 and make it 3.31. Control D and nudge that over. Now this time we get to use the blend tool that wasn't working because of the angle a while ago. We're going to only blend twice. And there we go. Now, it is a blend, so you need to go to Object and break the blend apart. You don't really have to ungroup it, but you can group it all together. Now, what's so cool about it, we're going to put it into this using the perspective. So go to Object, add perspective. Well, first of all, we need to get it into our area. This is a little bit hard because sometimes it's hard to see. Object, add perspective. And I would maybe go to this corner first and put it in that corner. Maybe do the ones you can see, because you're not going to be able to see that corner in a second. And I'm not quite there. But this is a lot easier, so what you can do is go past it. There's our 4 points. Now, if you do that on all 4 sides, it'll work, or all 3 sides that are visible. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching. It's going to be the same process on all 4 sides using the perspective tool.